Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S80 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this DOOGEE. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Over here you need to type DevCheck and download this free app from this developer, then open it. Now you can find out all the information about your DOOGEE dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!